indissolubility and indivisibility can only be brought about when you nurture unity, mutual respect, egalitarianism. Where is the former Soviet Union? They brought down into smithereens. Where is Eritrea and Ethiopia? Where is South Sudan and Sudan? Where is Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India?
Chief Ozekhome.
How can you be saying Nigeria is indivisible? It is already divided because every geopolitical zone is already going according to its own details. There is no cohesion. There is no leadership. Can't you see that Nigeria is hemorrhaging? Can't you see that we are bleeding? Can't you see that we are on a journey to no destination? Can't you see that the president should wake up from his self-imposed cocoon and hibernation and seize the reins of power and save Nigeria from what remains of ourselves, self-implosion, self-immolation? Can't you see that we are tottering, we are wobbly, we are groggy? Can't you see that we are falling apart? Can't you see that we needed, as yesterday, to do something urgent to save Nigeria from the precipice, from breaking up into smithereens? Can't you see that the house is collapsing, that the edifice is collapsing? Can't everybody see it? Even if you are blind, can't you feel it? Even if you are blind and you can't feel it, are you numb? Can't you hear it? Are you also deaf? Can't you see that Nigeria is bleeding?